In this video, we're going to be solving a Cold Wars problem called twice as old. Here's a challenge. Calculate how many years ago the father was twice as old as his son. So right here, they give us a function called twice as old, which takes the current age of the father and the current age of his son as a parameter. So we're going to create a variable called sum and assign it to an equation. The equation will calculate how many years ago based on the dad's current age, or the dad twice as old as his son. So the equation would be, oh wait, let's not forget to pass the equation within the absolute method, as we only want the equation to return an absolute number. Now the equation would be the dad's age subtracted by the son's age multiplied by 2. Let's test it out of Node. We're going to provide sum to the developer console, so console log sum. Now we're going to call the function which is called twice as old and pass 2 arguments, 50 as the dad's age and 20 as the son's age. Now let's open up the console and test it out. So node followed by the name of the file, which is test.js. As you can see, it says 10, meaning seeing as the father is 50 and the son is 20, the last time the father was twice as old as the son was 10 years ago when he was 40. Now let's convert this function to an arrow function to make the code simpler and more compact. Alright, cool. Now let's copy and paste this code in the Codewars and test it out. As you can see, it all works. Thank you for watching the video, guys.